2004 Mercedes C230. I'm trying to take crankshaft position sensor. Let me show you how I take it out. After I remove all this intake, filter, housing and mass airflow sensor, I take them out, and it's hard to get to it, but you gotta struggle a little bit. I used my power tools with a small extension along with the socket number E8. I will show you. The flashlight is kind of not showing where. I'm trying to focus, sorry. I'm trying to show you. Sure, if I can focus on that sensor, but I'll try my best. Right there. Right there. That's the sensor right there. And that's the power connector, the plug. What is it? It's down there. Let me show you. That's the tools you need. E8. And this extension, I think this is 6 inch. Yeah, it's 6 inch. Gonna need that. Alright, and the sensor already, the bolt is out. Sorry, I cannot show you the place. It's very tricky. I hope you guys can see. This is the power plug. I take it off right here, and try to show you the sensor itself. And that's the sensor. I'm gonna point on the sensor. That's the sensor right here. That's it. Only one bolt. It's underneath it. You could just find a way to put it on there. Put your socket. Use your electric tools. This is very helpful, very helpful. Use that one. That will help you. You don't have to struggle. Place here is very tight. You don't have really that much space to take it off. I hope I help somebody out there. If you like it, please like and share. And thank you for watching.